Hi, we're gonna introduce our TICO project. So at first, is going to talk about first part of it. So Andy, would you explain?
Yeah, so on the top, we could see define max size 255, which is explanation of max value of instructions. Then on the bottom, we'd see the type def and then enum of type def operations. And we have what is that? The variation between 0 to 15. We have structure of instructions, and in the type def, we have one operator and maximum of 3 parameters. There's operation on top, then we introduce the first, second, third. Then on the next, we have union of value. It could be constant number or instruction. And we have a constant number and an instruction together. Then global variable that we set. We have memory, which stores the entire file in the value type and the memory of the value itself. And we have a containing corresponding strings to each of the operation. Then we have contain the one where there is a value in each line of the file. This is used in printing values in the files. Compare the string of the operation and return the corresponding operation. Then between the operation size, we choose if the string matches the corresponding operation, then return that as a value. And if nothing is matched, then return the size of the operation. Then we convert the constant number integer to integer value, putting double quotation into the string until the I reaches the length of the string. If there's double quotation or next line, then make it as space. Then we have the returning value of the string code. The next one is trimming the string. If there's a line feed, then just make it as end of the string. If there's line feed sign, just make it as end of the string again. Then we have the return trim string. So my explanation is done, and then Conway is gonna take it from here.
Yeah. So there is also read value function. This read the value in the file and store it to memory. So we have file pointer and line, which read each line, and then length, initial size of the line, and then read size of the line, which is read. So we have also integer value, variable, which is address. This is the initial value of the address, and then we set this. And then we have token, string token that which is split in the string. And then, okay, so we often open the file, and then if the open file is error, then say something, print the error, file open error. So, okay, so until there is remaining in the file while reading the line of each file one by one. So we have a loop here. So trim the string, extract the line feed, which is this one, and then just change it to end of the line, and then split the line with this colon, this character. Then the token will have the address first. So get the address, and then set the stored address array to 1. That is stored address has the value, so we change it to 1. If this is just for printing printing the memory as value which is stored in memory. So um yeah, this is not used much. If the address is out of the range of the print, then print error. So if the address is greater than 255 and smaller than 0, then print the error. So segmentation error. So address is not between 0 to 255. Okay, then split the line with space, then the token will have the value. If the value, if there is nothing, then just do nothing. Else, if there is something, memory address, just put, set the operator to the memory, and then if the value is a number, then set the memory num to token. I mean, yeah, set the memory num, this address. Yeah, this one to token. And for 3 times, we have 3 parameters. So split the line with space again, and then the token will have the parameter. And then if the parameter doesn't exist, then break. And then set the parameter to corresponding memory parameter. Yeah. And then close the file and then free the line. Okay, we have print memory, print mem function. This is print the value which are stored in memory. This is additional function which is not related to TICO. We have string make constant num, convert string to constant number, just put double quotation, which is interpreting the value stored in the memory. So we have main function, which get the file name. First, if there is no given file name, then it is an error. So print error, and then execute. Type ink, and then typo, and text, and oh, test. Yes. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is printing out the get 10 numbers and print out the least number, least value of number. So we have the from 1 to 10, we have the minimum number is 1, so we print out num. So it is working correctly. This is the end of our project. Thank you.